Welcome back to our channel One to Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change the password for your Steam account. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, this right here is the interface of the Steam application. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to change the password. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply look at the top left. Right here, you will see a button like this called as Steam. Click on it right now. Well, once you do, this thing will open up. Do note that there are lots of options, but right now all you need to do is focus on this thing called as settings. Click on it, and guys, this is it. This is the settings page. Do note from here that there are lots of things that you can do, but right now all we want to do is focus on this thing called as security. Click on it, and guys, this is it. From here, you can simply change your password. And do note that you can also not save account credentials in this computer. It is up to you. But for now, I'm simply going to click on this button called as Change Password. Now it's going to give me something like this: email and account verification code, or simply, I no longer have access to this email address. Right now I do have access, so I'm going to click on this first option right here. As you can see, a verification code was sent. Now I'm going to go to Gmail right now. And guys, this is it. I have received this verification code in my Gmail account. I'm just gonna copy it and paste it right now. Well, as you can see, I have pasted it. Now all I'm gonna do is hit on continue. Now you guys can change your password. Simply enter your new password right here along with your new password. And once you've done that, simply click on this button that says change password. And guys, that is it. That's how you change your password for your Steam account. It is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and from a content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.